Hello students. So today we will see how to draw the earthen bund with the hearting material. Okay. Now what has been given in the problem? It's been given the top width is 4 meters. The top bund level is 105.00. MWL is 103.80. FTL is 103.800. Sorry. Bed level is 100. Upstream slope is 1.5:1. Downstream slope is 2:1. And also he has given the hearting material details. He says that the hearting material is being provided at the level of 103.80, that is nothing but from the maximum water level, and the top width is 1 meter. And also it has been given the upstream slope of the hearting material is 1.5:1 and the downstream slope is 1:1. So now let us see how to draw the earthen bund with the hearting material for the given details. The first step will be to draw the top width of the bund. So how much is the top width here? 4. Now students, the top width is present at the TBL. So let us mark the top bund level. Therefore, TBL is at 105.00. Then students, mark the center of this 4 meter and drop the line. Next, let us mark the bed level which is given at 100. Therefore, 105 minus 100, that is 5. You need to come down by 5 meters and mark the bed level. Once we are done with the bed level, let us write bed level as 100. Now students, the scale which you will be using, if it is 1:50, you need to double all the values what you are getting. Now next, let us mark and take the different levels, that is the maximum water level and the FTL. Now maximum water level is 103.80. Therefore 105 minus 103.80. So just calculate it, measure it and then mark the maximum water level. Next, FTL is given as 103. So this is 103.80. Below this 0.8 you will have the FTL level. So, now students, we have done with the marking of the different levels. Now, next is given the upstream slope as 1.5:1 and downstream slope as 2:1. So, how are we going to draw the slope? 1.5 horizontal. So, you need to measure here 1.5. Just take 1.5 horizontal and then take 1 vertical. Then you need to just join these 2 points, which will give you the upstream slope. Similarly, you need to do the same thing for the downstream. The downstream slope is being given as 2:1. So, measure 2. Then come 1 downwards. You will get these 2 points. Next, you need to just join these 2 points. Okay. Later just erase off these projections which we have done to take the slope. Now next, the hearting material starts at the maximum water level. Top width is mentioned as 1 meter. Extend the maximum water level. Come to the center line here. Top width is given as 1 meter. Therefore, mark 1 meter here. This is the top crust of the hearting material. This is 1 meter here. Okay. Next, the slope is given as 1.5:1 upstream end and downstream end 1:1. So, similarly, how we did for the outer line, we need to take the slopes here. (1.5) is to 1 here. You will be getting these 2 points. So, next you need to join these points. You can just erase off these lines. Similarly, again for the downstream end, it is 1:1. One horizontal, then one vertical. Remember students, when you are drawing on the sheet, it will be to the scale of 1:50. So, whatever are the values, you need to double and draw it. This gives you the downstream slope. Okay. Next, we need to show the grip trenches and also we need to show the gravel backing for the rough stone pitching. It has been mentioned in the question, provide revetment of 0.5 meters over 15 centimeters thick gravel backing. Okay. So, 0.5 plus 15 centimeters, 0.5 meters plus 15 centimeters it is. Okay. Altogether it will be 0.65. So, I will just be taking a projection here. This is at 90 degrees to the line, and just draw a parallel line. So I am providing here the revetment of thickness 0.5 meters and the gravel backing thickness here is 15 centimeters. Okay. Now next I need to provide here the foundation block, which will be 1 meter by 1 meter. Okay. Next, students, we need to provide here a central trench. Okay. The depth of this trench will be half of FSD. Come along the center line. First, you need to calculate the depth. That is nothing but half of FTL minus the bed level. So now here FTL is 103.00 minus 100. So 3 divided by 2, that is 1.5. So to a distance of 1.5, you need to come below, mark out the point here. The width you will be taking as 2. Next, project the top width here, that is 4 meter. Join these lines. Students, next we need to provide the grip trenches at right angle. So starting with the first point, measure here 45 degrees. To the slope of 45 degrees, just draw the projection line. Then again from here at 90 degrees, continue the same. So this angle should be at 90 degrees. Provide a suitable hatching for the hearting material. Next, we should provide the rock toe. The height of this rock toe equals to 0.25 times the height of the bund. Now how you are going to calculate the height of the bund? 0.25 times the top bund level minus the bed level, that is 0.25 times 105 minus 100. Okay. Please do the calculation. Calculate the height here. Then mark this point. Then project a straight line at 90 degrees. This gives you the rock toe. Provide the suitable filters in the rock toe. Next, I need to provide a toe drain here. You can just show the projections here. This is the toe drain. Okay. Now students, you should do the namings properly. Please show the side slope. 1:1 here. Upstream it is 1.5:1. Similarly here also it is 1.5:1. Downstream it is 2:1. Next, we need to show the saturation gradient starting from the maximum water level. The slope of the saturation gradient is 4:1. So 4 horizontal, 1 vertical. After getting these points, just draw the saturation gradient. Therefore, the slope of this line is 4:1. Next, students, please do provide the proper namings here. Saturation gradient, rock toe, toe drain, rough stone, 50 centimeters thick or 0.5 meters. This is gravel backing, 15 centimeters thick. These are grip trench, this width is 2 meters. So we are done with the cross section of the bund. Next we should show the plan. Therefore students just extend the lines in the downward direction. Consider the toe thickness here. It's a strip of this section. Next, I'm going to extend the top width here. So this is your upstream end. You need to show here stone pitching. Just write here upstream slope, that is 1.5:1. Okay. Here we are going to mention top bund level, that is 105.00, and this shows us the top width here, which is 4. Now here, this is the downstream slope of 2:1. I hope it is clear. Thank you.